welcome to our channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about outline concepts in CSS. First of all, what is an outline? Outline means simply a line that is drawn around the element. Remember, outline is different to borders. See, outline is a line that is drawn around the element. It is outside of the border. Why you are written outline? The main purpose is to make the element stand out. To make the element stand out. Anyway, outline also have different properties. Style of the outline, color, width. I already said the outline property is different from border property. Anyway, we will discuss all these properties. The first one is outline style. Simply style specifies the style of the outline. Generally, what are the styles? Border style means solid, dashed, double, etc. Similarly, outline also same. Dotted is there, solid is there, double, dashed, groove. Whatever we discussed in borders, almost every property is available. See, dotted. It defines a dotted line. The next property, dashed, solid, double, groove, ridge, inset, outset, none, hidden. Exactly same properties we are discussed for border style. Now also I am moving with the same property. Now to provide differentiation, first I will create one border with one outline. Then you will get the clear idea. Now style, within the style take one div first border style. So here I am given some border style is equal to solid. Now outline style. Outline style I am given some double. Now coming to this here. Welcome to some message CSS. Save. Copy the path. Okay. Here what I am doing? Within the div I written border style and outline style. Move to here. Copy the path. Observe carefully. Here, one is the thick one is a border, followed by that is outline. If you have doubt, I will change this one into dashed. Dashed. Now, check this one. Outline is dashed. Within this one, whatever it is present, solid, that is called border. That is called border. Clear? Anyway, like this, you can apply different styles. Dashed, double, solid, every style is applied. Before explaining remaining groove, ridge, inset, we will discuss outline color property. Once you understand the color, then outline colors are visible. Anyway, like border color, outline color is the property. Now, I will move with one example. Here, what I am doing, border color red. Okay. Now, outline color blue. To provide differentiation, I used border color also. Now, go to here, refresh, zoom in, observe. The border color is red and the outline is dashed and that is in the color of blue. Whatever the color I given, that is in the color of blue. That is called outline color property. Next, once you understand the color, suppose instead of dashed, I used groove. Now observe, that is groove. Suppose now I used inset or ridge. Outline style is ridge. Observe the shades. Observe the shades in the color. Now, inset. Observe. Finally, outset. So, the shadings of the color, inset, inside, outside, outside. Now, along with the color property, one more property is there, width. Width means the width of the line. That is the width of the outline. So, generally, thin means 1 pixel, medium 3 pixel, thick 5 pixel, or else you can give any size. You can give any size. outline width, for example, 4 pixel. Outline width 4 pixel I given. Observe, changed or not? The width of the outline is changed. The width of the outline is changed. Next property, outline offset. What is mean by offset? Simply distance. So this is the important. This property adds space between the outline and the edge of the border. Outline and the edge of the border. You clear? Now I written outline offset. I written outline offset. Suppose some 15, whatever it is, some 15 pixel. Save, execute, observe the pixel space, the pixel outline offset distance along with we already discussed margin. If you want, you can do the margin also. Suppose 30 pixel. Observe, if I given the margin, the total space within that one outline. Now you clear that one. Clear that one. So what are the properties we discussed till now? Outline style property, outline color, outline width, outline offset. And instead of all this, if you want, you can use a shorthand notation outline. You can use a shorthand notation outline. What you can give? Suppose outline color. I am given outline color. Now outline style. For example, outline width like this. See, changed or not? You can give shorthand property of outline. This is the concept of outline. Understand the differences. The most important thing, you need to understand the difference between border, margin, and outline. Okay, these are main difference. Both are, all these three are completely different. Okay, this is the concept of outline. Thank you.